Hello, and welcome to this edition of Collab Hacks. Why can't I hear you? Getting audio right in Microsoft Teams. My name is David Branscombe. I'm a partner technical architect with Microsoft. That's my Twitter handle over on the right-hand side, as well as my blog, where I post articles on technical topics. This fairly short video is going to just cover a couple topics. It's going to talk about where you can find the audio and video settings in Microsoft Teams. Sometimes we find people confused about how to change their settings if they have a new headset or maybe a new webcam and they want to change from the defaults that they've been using that are maybe built into their laptop. So we'll show you where you can change those things. And then another situation that comes up occasionally is where someone has a video or a website that they want to play in their Teams meeting, and they can't get the audio to play in that meeting. So how do you fix that? So let's take a look, shall we? All right, so what I've got here is a scenario where I've got a meeting that I'm going to join, and I have some options here. If I go to audio off, this means I can turn off my audio in case I've got another machine maybe that's joined to the same meeting and I don't want to get the feedback. I can join with my phone audio if I want to dial in with my cell phone. Maybe the quality is a little bit better in that case. I can join with my camera on or off. So if I want to show people my face, I can do that. I can also select a background so that when I join the meeting, I join looking exactly like that. Or I can join without any video whatsoever, which is what I'm going to do in this meeting. I have the ability to join using my microphone muted or turned on. And then here's the part that's interesting. Here's where I can set my audio devices, my speaker, my microphone, and I can set them to be both feeding off the same device, for example, my Plantronics headset, or I can set them to use a combination of devices. So I can set, for example, my speaker to be for example, my built-in speakers on my laptop, and then I can set my microphone to be the microphone that's configured on my Brio webcam. I'm going to go ahead and set them back to just use my headset, but you have the ability to change those around if you want to. So let's go ahead and join the meeting. I join the meeting, and even within the meeting, I have the ability to adjust my device settings. So if I click on Show Device Settings, again, I have my audio devices. I have my speaker. I can adjust the volume on that speaker as I need to. And I can even see what the audio setting is for the microphone that I'm using. Then the last thing is if I want to share my desktop, and let's say I want to share a video that I've downloaded, an MP4 video or a video on a website, I can share my desktop and click this little button that says Include System Audio. And what that will do is allow the audio from the video to be played through the Teams meeting so that people can hear what's being played on that Teams meeting. And that brings us to the end of that video. So, thank you for watching. Again, please follow me at Branscombe David on Twitter, or you can watch my blog for new updates and new articles. Thanks for listening.